Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. So what the spots are? This is the feature that gives you ability to basically convert your regular EC2 instances to spot instances. Basically, our platform preserves the IP address, preserves the volume of the EC2 instance, and all the details of the instance. So let's assume that I have a database which is created within the EC2 instance. It's installed inside the EC2 instance and everything's working fine. And I know that this EC2 instance isn't used like 24/7. It's like for dev environment, and I want to convert to a spot instance because I want to save some of them money. If I will convert it from here, from the platform, what it will do, it will basically save the volume. It will create a snapshot of the machine. It will save the security group, or it will save the IP address, and then it will create the spot instance within the same volume, same type. It will assign the same IP address, the same load balancer. So everything will stay the same as it was before, except it will become a spot instance. Very easy to do. I just can click on spot, and that's it, done. And I see what's the current cost, what's going to be the estimated cost, and how much of the money I will save if I will convert it to a spot. There is a button called Manage. What does it mean? It means that this instance is already a spot. It's a spot fleet, or it's a spot instance, but it's not managed by the ProfiSea Labs platform. And I can click on Manage, and ProfiSea Labs will take care about this spot instance. ProfiSea Labs algorithm underneath will take care about creating a new spot instances, and machine learning will try to understand what's the best time to basically create a new spot instance and remove the previous one. So it's trying to minimize the downtime as much as possible. That's what the Manage basically does.